Jiggers Bank, Colebrookdale. We're at the northern end of the Ironbridge Gorge area. The road here lies at the top of a retaining wall. We were getting settlement in the road construction and parts of the wall were falling down. It's a very tall wall. It's about 4 metres high. It's built on a series of 6 brick arches let into the wall for no obvious reason, but they're there. So Geobear here at the moment, filling the arches with polymer grout so that we're removing any voids that might have been there and solidifying the material that's in them, which we can then dig off and put the final row of anchors in. We've got 2 rows of rock anchors in, layer of mesh and gunite spray concrete over the top. What we need to do then is do a 3rd row, so we need to dig off the materials piled against the wall. In order to do that, we need to make sure that the material in the arches is stable, and we need to make sure it doesn't fall out when we dig off. So Geobear are filling the arches with polymer grout. It's consolidating the material, making it nice and dense, so that when we dig off, we've got hopefully a nice vertical face that will stay put while we put mesh on, we anchor it and then spray it with gunite at the finish of the job. We looked at a lightweight foaming concrete, but obviously access is not brilliant for a large concrete wagon. Our designer of the works at Red Rock, Dr. Peter Arnold, has used Geobear in the past and suggested that, and his design, obviously the design of the rock anchors and everything, but the linchpin is using Geobear to fill in the arches, which are a bit of a problem because you've got a lot of void space there, and he suggested using Geobear with polymer grout to bulk fill the arches and stabilise the soil within them.